Okay, good morning and welcome back. 9th B class algebra. In last lecture, we have completed 3.4 4 questions. Now 3.5. For single polynomial, we have to find the answer of different variable value. P of x is equal to given 2x cube plus 7. We have to find out P0, P minus 1. Different values will be given to you. So if it is 0, so 2x is 0, 2x is 0, 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, plus 7. So the final answer is 7. Exactly for minus 1. Two minus 1 cube. Minus 1 only one time. Minus 1 3 times for this bracket. One time for this. So 4 times minus minus plus minus minus plus 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 plus. This and this cancel. P of minus 2 is 7. So when x is equal to 0, the value of polynomial is 7. When x is equal to minus 7, polynomial value is again 7. Now it will be more brighter. Same in question number 2, different polynomials. So I'll take with higher power. P of x raised to 4, 2x square minus x. Now they have asked for P1, P0, P minus 2. So for 0 and minus 2 I will work. P0, P minus 2. With respect to x, we have to substitute 0. So this will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. Overall answer is 0. P is minus 2 raised to 4. This polynomial you have to write in the form of bracket. So wherever the x substitution number, here P0 given, polynomial with 0. So substitute all x as 0. Next, P minus 2, substitute all x with minus 2. Wait. Now, okay. Two to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and 4 times minus, so minus minus plus minus minus plus 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 plus. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 times 1 time 3 times minus minus plus 16 plus 2, that is 18. 18 minus 8, 10. Third and fourth mark very important. Polynomial with m, that is m cube 2m plus a. When m is equal to 2, its answer is 12. When you will substitute m is equal to 2, overall answer should be 12. So find out P2. 2 cube 2 to the a will be as it is, but this value they have given 12. 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 4, so 12 plus a. 12 cancels, so a is equal to 0. Eight plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus something is equal to 12. So 12 plus 0, it is 12. So a is equal to 0. Follow? Next one also, it is very important. Some questions are cancelled, that I'll let you know in this exercise and next exercise. Polynomial with x, it is mx square minus 2x plus 3. If you will substitute minus 1, overall answer will be 7. So p minus 1 for x only, not for m. Now wait. So 7. So minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So 7 is equal to m plus 5. Whose mic is on? 7 minus 5 is equal to m. M is equal to, close the mic. Whose mic is on? Close fast. Divide the first polynomial by second polynomial and see it is a factor or not. So x square 7x plus 9, if it is divided by x plus 1, x square divided by x, so x into x, x square, x into 1, x, change the sign, cut, minus 1 minus 7 minus 8x plus 9. This divided by this, you will get minus 8. So minus 8x minus 8 plus cancel. Remainder is 17, not 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor. If this is 0, then it is a factor. One more variable with variable we will do. Two x cube, 2x square plus ax minus a x minus a. This divided by this, x will go 2x square. 2x square into x, 2x cube. 2x into this, 2x square a. Now minus cancel. Plus. So 2x square common, a minus 1. 2x square a minus 2x square. So 2x square I have taken common, a minus 1 plus ax minus e. Okay, then this divided by this, you will get plus 2x a minus 1. This into this, 2x square a minus 1. Minus cancel. And into this, so minus 2x a minus 1. This will plus. So overall, it is ax plus 2x a minus 1 minus a. So again from this I will take common ax. So 1 minus 2a minus 1. So if this will cancel. Two minus 2 a square x minus e. Now this divided by this, xx will go on minus 2 a square. So minus 2 a square x minus 2 minus minus plus cube plus minus, this will 0, this will be minus 2a cube minus a. By substitution also you can do x is equal to a. Remainder is not 0, so it is not a factor. Sixth very important sum. polynomial with respect to y it is given py given y cube 5y square 7ym if divided by y plus 2 remainder is given. If divided by y plus 2, so y is equal to minus 2. Simple. Therefore, by substituting y is equal to minus 2, p of minus 2 will be 50. Remainder is given. By what you can divide? By what you can divide means opposite sign you have to substitute. Y minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So p of minus 2, it is minus 2 cube minus 5 minus 2 square 7 minus 2 plus n, but this value is 50. Minus 2 3 times, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Minus 2 times, minus 1 times, so 3 times. 2 to the 4, 5 are 50, 5 are 20, sorry. Minus plus minus 14. All are negative. So we have to add 20, 30, 40, 42. This goes this side, so it is 92. Sixth sum, let me check otherwise. Okay, I'll check here only. Plus minus plus minus 3 times 1 time, so all minus. Correct. %, correct. So substitute the value. Remainder is given. Seventh one. Mark important, 7th one. Here remainder is given 15. Here it is given, it is a factor. So indirectly remainder is given 0. When it is a factor, remainder will be not given. So it is 0. Here remainder is given, so it is not a factor. 7. P of x square plus 2x minus 3. So from minus 3, there are two methods. Minus 3 to 2 you want, no? So x plus 3, x minus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So these are the two factors. Therefore, x plus 3 and x minus 1 is a factor of px. Or if divide by x plus 3, therefore by substituting x is equal to minus 3 in px, so minus 3 square minus 3 3 are 9, that is 2. this is plus. So this is minus, minus. 9 minus 9, it is 0. If the factor is 0, sorry, remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Follow? So take a screenshot of this much sum. Many students are not joining the lecture. Pass the message. They are not in even contact. They have not given the correct contact number. How to contact? It is very difficult. Seven is 8 is also like that. 9. Px and Qx it is given. This is visible, no? 2 plus 5x. X cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Qx x minus 1. Qx is a factor of Px or not, that we have to check. How? X minus 1, therefore x is equal to 1. X minus 1, so x is equal to 1. By substituting x is equal to 1. P of 1. 1 cube, 1 square, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Sorry, minus, not this place. So this will cancel, but it is minus 2. So P of 1 is not 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. Therefore, Qx is not a factor of Px. By substituting this in this, if you will get 0, it means it is a factor. Otherwise, not a factor. Now with very higher power, x raised to 31 minus 31 divide by x minus 1 plus 1 divide by x plus 1. So by substituting x plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. X plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. By substituting this, px x raised to 31 minus 31 plus 31. So p of minus 1 minus 1 times 31 minus 31 minus if 1 is how many times? 1 raised to how many? Always answer is 1. But minus 1 raised to odd power. Odd power means negative. Even power. Even means divided by 2. So every minus minus plus minus minus plus minus minus plus. So at the end it will be minus. So for odd number it is minus. So the final answer is 30 and it is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not factor. Wait. Now same. P of m is equal to m raised to 21 minus 1. P of m is equal to m raised to 21 minus 1. Divide by m minus 1. Divide by m minus 1. n minus 1. So n is equal to 1. So substitute 1. 1 raised to 21 minus 1. 1 odd time or even time plus 1. If n is odd time or even time, overall answer is 1. 1 minus 1 it is 0. Therefore m minus 1 is a factor. For 22, P of 1 raised to 22. 1 raised to 1, 1 raised to 5, 1 raised to 20, 1 raised to 21, 1 raised to 22, 1 raised to 100. Answer is always 1. 1, how many times you will multiply? No, the overall answer will be 1. Factor. P of x is equal to 2 plus 5x. Find out P of 2, P of minus 2 minus P of 1. 3 times. One time, 2 times, 3 times. So 2 plus 5, here 2 only, plus 2 plus 5, here minus 2 only. minus 2 plus 5 1. So 2 plus 10, 2 minus 10, open the bracket, minus 2, open the bracket, minus 5, 10 minus 10 0, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 minus 5, minus 3 is the answer. What? That is P2, P minus 2, P1. P of x, we have to find P of 5 root 3. Simple. Wherever x replace 2, 5 root 3 square, 5 root 3, one more 5 root 3, because x 2 power, 1 power, simplify. 2, 5 5s are 25, root 3 is 3, 5 into 5 25, root 3 3, 3 to the 6, 25 6 times means 150, minus 75. 150 minus 75 is 75. 75 plus 5. Now student, please mark page number 55, 3.6, Sum number 2. In that total 8 questions are given. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Rest are cancelled. In problem set, only 1 to 10 are there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cancel as per 25% reduced syllabus. So now only factor method remain. This substitution method, it is very